Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you to unblock yourself from someone's account. So if somebody blocked you on Instagram and you want to unblock yourself, I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video today. So this is kind of an indirect message that you can unblock yourself. It doesn't work all the way, but it does work somewhat. So first things first, you're going to want to make sure that your app is completely updated. And once you do that, you can head over to the Instagram app. So once you're in the Instagram app, as you can see, I'm on my main account right here. Let me block somebody to show you guys what I would do if I got blocked. So let me search up the account real quick. Once I found the account, I'm going to block it real quick. Let me do that and block. And once, as you can see, I've blocked the account completely. Let me head over to my other account to show you what it looks like. So even if I search up the account to Boss at Tech, I can't view the profile at all. I can't message them either. If I try to message them, they will never get the message. So it seems like they never messaged them in the first place. So let me show you guys what that looks like real quick. As you can see, if I send the message, it's just not going to show up on my other account that I blocked this account on. So let me head back over to my main account to show you. As you can see, I've never received a message. It doesn't show anything about a message being sent. So if you want to send a message to the other person, this is how you can do that. First, head over to a new account or have your friend do this for you. You're going to want to go to your direct messages real quick. And once you head over to your direct messages, you're going to want to click on that button in the top right corner that kind of looks like a notepad. Once you click on that notepad looking button thing, it'll bring you to this page right here that shows you how all the people that you're following or people that you can text. So here you just want to add the account that's blocked and the account that blocked your account. So let me add both of them real quick. And as you can see, I've added both of them. And then you want to click on chat in the top right corner. And then you can name the account and send a message if you want. But it doesn't really matter. You can send a message like asking the person to text this person or whatever. I don't really know what you want to do. But just name it and then send the message. So let me show you what it looks like from the view of the person that blocked you. So if I head over to the account that blocked the other account, as you can see, if I go to the messages, if I try to look at the chat, then it will say that you are blocked and you are in the group. But if they accept it, then you will be able to text each other even though you are blocked. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.